Nice.
Mr. President, I've completed the call with Ethiopia's Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. It went as expected.
Mark, every time someone says as expected, it's always bad news. What did baby Nobel Prize do now?
Well, sir, he insisted everything is peaceful while he's simultaneously threatening Eritrea, provoking neighbors, and igniting new tribal conflicts at home.
Nobel Peace Prize, Mark. A peace prize. And he's out there starting wars like it's a weekend hobby. I end wars, he starts them. Total opposite.
Sir, he also mentioned something about Assab belonging to Ethiopia, which is completely wrong.
Next, he'll say the Red Sea belongs to him because he took a swim in it. What a disaster. What a warmonger. Should ask for their medal back and give him a chaos trophy. Much more fitting. They got scammed by this man.
He's destabilizing the Horn of Africa, sir. Eritrea, Sudan, Somalia, everyone is on alert because of his ambitions.
He's turning the whole region into a fire pit. You know what the Nobel Committee should do? Strip his medal. Right now. Take it away. You'll get a peace prize when you're out there acting like a cartoon villain. Warmongering. Instigating. Stirring tribal fire. No more Nobel nonsense. If he wants to pretend he's a peacemaker, he should try making just one actual peace. Start with his own country.
Anything else, Mark? I also warned him not to use GERD as an intimidation tool against allies like Egypt.
GERD isn't a toy. Stop poking Egypt. Stop poking Eritrea. He's like a kid with a stick causing problems and crying when he gets in trouble. Mark, we may be sanctioning the wrong country when it comes to Eritrea. We may need to take a look at that. It's worse, way worse, especially with that baby Nobel Prize on the helm. A peace prize winner starting wars everywhere. Total disaster. We need to address this situation with Ethiopia immediately.
Agreed.
Abiy is acting reckless within his country and neighbors. We've discussed the Ethiopia call thoroughly.
So the next steps, sir?
We push diplomacy, we stabilize the region, and Abiy will to stop acting like he's auditioning for world's worst neighbor. Mark, if he calls again asking for sea access, tell him to buy a boat and use it in GERD with Egypt's permission. This call was perfect, believe me. No issues here. Great job, Mark and team.